Please introduce yourself and tell us, what do you do?
Hi, I'm Dan and I am the YouTube manager for the eSpares channel. Effectively, it's my job to make sure that the video content that eSpares produces is relevant content, is the most accurate content that we can provide for our community.
In 2025, as I'm sure you are aware, but I'm going to just reiterate it for our community out there, we have launched our Fixometer to celebrate all those people who have chosen to repair rather than replace their appliance with eSpares. And that number is over 300,000 people. And that is such a huge achievement.
Massive number.
How does that make you feel?
Oh, it's incredible. To know that our videos have helped contribute to that amount of people choosing to fix their appliances instead of replacing them is massive for us, for me and my team. It's a really big pat on the back to show that our efforts in making these videos is really paying off.
Can you even visualize that number, 300,000?
No, it's a lot, but it's not as many as what we want. We're forever growing. We always want more.
Yeah.
So it's great that we're talking about 300,000 now, but 2026, we want that number up. We want to inspire more people. We want our videos to contribute to that like they are now.
Yeah.
Onwards and upwards for the YouTube channel and eSpares.
Yeah, and eSpares is like a mini city now, because honestly 300,000 is like basically a population of a city. So when you really think about it, that's crazy. And speaking about this content that you do, what is it that you do actually? So how would you describe what the video team does, and specifically how it contributes to Fixometer?
So the videos that we do, I think, is a key part of the journey that somebody goes on to repair their appliance. It's often the kind of deciding factor, I think, in what can switch somebody from a I don't really fancy fixing that appliance, I can't do it, to I can fix that, I can see what's happening here, we can do that. So it's my job and the video team's job to give that confidence to the people, making sure the processes are correct, everything's factual, everything's easy to follow. So essentially the video team and our videos are a bit of a wake-up call to people to say, we're here to help you. You can fix your appliances yourself. You just don't know you can. And in terms of the repair journey that a customer goes on, it's an integral part of that journey. It really does give them the information they need and then the confidence, hopefully, to be able to tackle that repair themselves. So it really gives the viewer a choice, which perhaps they didn't know they had.
Oh, I like that. That's very nice. You mentioned your video team. Who is in this team?
So our team is 9 people, and it's a real mix of different people and roles, but it all comes together to work as one really fluid machine. So it consists of content planners, videographers, presenters, engineers. It's all a real big mix of important people within the process. And just collectively as a team, we've got many years and a great wealth of experience in the appliance industry world and fixing appliances. So all comes together nicely to contribute to the successful videos that we make.
You say you're producing these videos, they support people, but how do the videos actually do that? How do they support customers in their repair journey, as you've called it?
Yeah, so somebody might not even know what's wrong with their appliance first and foremost. So we have a specific type of video, for example, where it's a diagnosis video, where we can actually fine-tune the issue for the customer so they can really pinpoint what's going wrong with their appliance. So it gives them that confidence as well that when they do eventually purchase that part from eSpares, they're not just taking a bit of a gamble, they know it's that part that they need. And our videos not only diagnose that problem, but we go through the whole process of then actually, well, how do you actually fix that problem? How do you resolve the issue? So we like to think it's a nice circular journey that the customer can click on our video, realise what the problem is, and then go and fix it themselves.
So how is it that you decide what to make a video on?
So We have some industry-leading software that allows us to see the types of searches that people are looking for to do with their appliances. Often it may be searches, why is my washing machine not heating? Why is my fridge freezer not cooling? It could be a whole manner of things.
Yeah.
So if we see enough of a demand or a common theme, if you like, of a certain appliance with a certain issue, that will come on our radar as a video team to look into that issue.
So once you have that first idea, so you see a lot of people asking for a particular topic, you know that you want to do a video on it, what happens next? Could you walk us through this video journey?
Yeah, I'll give you a little breakdown. So we have that idea. We then take that idea into our filming studio, and before we even start filming anything, we do a preparation with our engineer in terms of we actually physically break down the appliance ourselves and go through that repair ourselves. So we intrinsically cover each and every step. The copywriter will take the engineer process notes and essentially maybe change some of the language, maybe make some things a bit more detailed, because not everybody knows engineer terminology or engineer speak. Our copywriter will make it comfortable for people to follow. We then take that script into filming day. The repair or the process, whatever it might be for that video, gets filmed with our videographer and our eSpares presenter, and I'm on hand on filming day as well, just to make sure everything flows through as it should, reference the script. And then after that it goes through to our editor, who will produce a nice polished video ready for uploading onto YouTube.
So have you actually seen any examples of where people come in, they watch your videos, and then they feel more confident or motivated to complete a repair?
Oh, all the time, absolutely, yeah. So two different ways that come to mind straight away are, because I see them every day, is the YouTube comments that we get. People continuously replying to our videos saying, thank you so much, I didn't know I could do this repair. I didn't know that my appliance could even be repaired sometimes, because people just don't know. The amount of comments I get saying, thank you, you've saved me so much money in terms of having to buy a new appliance. I've just had to replace one quick part and the job's done. So the comments I get on the YouTube back are really pleasing, and it shows that, again, the videos we do are resonating with people, but we're trying to solve the problems that people have. So YouTube comments is definitely one, and I think the other one definitely is our Trustpilot platform. We have a 4.7 rating of over 400,000 reviews, and in a lot of those reviews the video is mentioned quite often in being an integral part of the eSpares service that the customers had.
What are the numbers for your channel? Do you have some statistics that you can share with us?
Okay, so the eSpares YouTube channel has to date 133 million views. Massive. And that's equated to 4.3 million hours of watch time.
Wow.
So that is everyday people like you and me learning how to fix their appliances. We also have a community of 170,000 subscribers to the eSpares YouTube channel.
Wow.
Again, pinpointing the fact that there is a community out there. There's people willing to learn about appliance repair. And that's where eSpares comes in 100% to support those people.
If you could describe the role of the video team in the repair journey of the customer in just one word, what would it be?
One word, the eSpares video team.
Think about
one word, it's an important word, isn't it? It's an important word. I would say instrumental.
That's a good word.
Yeah, instrumental. I've mentioned it a couple of times already, but I really can't overemphasize it enough. The impact that I see the videos having on people is huge. It really often is that little golden nugget, that difference that turns someone from thinking they can't fix their appliance to the dial going, I can fix that appliance. It really is about empowerment, about giving people the information, knowledge of how to do it, and then also the confidence. Hopefully they can see our videos and think, I can see other people are fixing this part, why can't I?
And one last thing, this is not a question, but since you mentioned those amazing Trustpilot reviews, I actually have a couple of them here. to read out to you.
Okay.
So here we have, the first one says, brilliant website with manufacturer's links that ensure you buy the correct part. Also, fitting video was magic. Made it so easy to refit. Smiling emoji. Thanks. Unbeatable price, product quality, and the video manual how to replace the part makes the process very easy to follow. Fitted perfectly. Watched YouTube video on how to install and worked perfectly. 75-year-old female pensioner. Video helped me with the confidence to replace the part myself.
And this is what it's all about. These are real people, real issues, and we're providing real solutions. And to hear these comments is amazing. And we just want people to know that a lot of the time, if these could be your next door neighbours, if these people could do this, there's no reason necessarily why you can't. We just want to give you the tools, literally and figuratively, to be able to do the repair yourself.
Yeah.
We want people to think, I've got an appliance issue, but it's easy with eSpares.
Yeah, I think that really sums it up. Thank you very much for being here, for giving this interview. That was wonderful.
Thanks for your time.